OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries is an intergovernmental organization of 13 countries. The Commission The mission is to cooperate and unify the petroleum policies of its member countries and ensure the stabilization of oil markets in order to secure an efficient economic and regular supply of petroleum to consumers. Its objects to coordinate and unify oil policies of member countries, determine best means of safeguarding individual and collective interest, then stabilize the price in international oil market, then provide it efficient and economic supply of petroleum to consuming nation and fair return on capital to those investing in the petroleum industry. Arab League. The Arab League is a regional multinational organization of Arabic speaking countries on the African and Asian continents. The Arab League's mission is to promote the trade and economic growth as well as sovereignty and political stability in the region. Its headquarters is at Cairo, Egypt. The League's main goal is to draw closer to the relations between the member states and coordinate collaboration between them to safeguard their independence and sovereignty. The Arab League has played significant role in the resolution of dispute among the member states in the social, economic and cultural sphere. Also the League has played an important role. Veto power. Veto power means the power or a right vested in a one branch of a government to cancel or postpone the decisions, enactments of the another branch, especially the right of a president, governor, or other chief executive to reject the bills passed by the legislature. Synonyms of the veto power are clincher, dernier cri, final say, point well taken, valid point, last word, veto, or authoritative statement, or the last words. Then a veto is a power to unilaterally stop an official action, especially the enactment of legislation. And there are three types of veto power: absolute, suspensive and pocket. Next is UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Its headquarters is at Paris, France. Next is state the domestic and non-domestic factors of national power. We have already discussed all these points. Domestic factors of national power: geography, location, then natural boundaries, leadership, military power, water resources. These are all the domestic factors. Next is the non-domestic factors are public opinion, MNC, multinational corporation, then diplomacy, ideology,